back. 3, 2, 1. What's up everyone, this is David Hoffman of Davidsbeenhere in Mexico City. Tonight I'm meeting up with a longtime friend, my travel blogging friend Larissa from the blonde Gypsy. I know Larissa for over 5 years. We've met up in London, Turkey, another place in Turkey, London again, and now we're here both in Mexico City on the same day. So I'm meeting with her at a place to have some mezcal, and we're gonna have some artisanal beers. She says she's never tried mezcal. I doubt that. I'm sure she's tried it. So if you don't know what mezcal is, mezcal comes from the agave plant. Tequila comes from the blue agave, and mezcal comes from the regular agave. It's really good. It's like a burner. You know, it's really like, it's like almost like moonshine, but it's delicious. It's very nice. And you come to Mexico, you gotta try it. Now let's meet up with Larissa and try some mezcal. Yo.
Hi.
My girl.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
Good. Yes, David.
You're back.
I'm back.
You told me you haven't tried mezcal before.
I've never tried mezcal. Should we try it?
Yeah, let's try it.
Algo más fuertecito.
So, ¿por qué no hacemos esto? Should we get 2 of these, the bigger ones?
Sure, let's start with that.
Alright, so Larissa's gonna try mezcal.
Let's do this.
So that's the palate cleanser. A little orange. There's tangerine. So what do you think of the mezcal though?
Yeah. Mezcal is amazing.
It's warm.
Oh, that worm?
It's a worm that lives in the agave.
Okay.
So
it's natural.
sí, it's not so.
It's natural? Alright, so basically I guess the little spices they put on a tangerine is like, has some worm in it. Well, let's just drink.
Drink to forget about that. It's really good.
By the way, she loves strong drinks. This is like the rakia queen.
Yes, this is the rakia of Mexico.
It is, right? I like it way better than tequila. It's like
it's more smoky and like palatable, I don't know.
It's lighter, right?
It feels classier, more sophisticated.
What's going on?
What's up? Mike, Larissa?
Do I know you?
No, not really. Not yet. My boy's back in town, dude.
Hey, what's going on? How was the day?
Great, amazing, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I just didn't want him to feel left out, so I'm gonna start new. Fresh.
Okay, I'll do the same, Mike, do you drink mezcal a lot?
I do. I love mezcal. Like coyote, copa. I've had some of them before. They get pretty adventurous. They get pretty like strong and like wild. Not bitter, just I can't even explain it.
You can't do it.
I'm like 5, so I have time.
This girl's a big drinker, by the way.
Alright. If I remember it correctly, this kind of agave is called coyote because it grows by itself, like alone, like a coyote does.
Ooh, that's different.
I'm surprised you haven't. You like that one?
Ooh.
So here's the difference between mezcal and tequila. It's actually all made from the same plant. But tequila is kind of like champagne. To be called tequila, it has to be made in the Jalisco region of Mexico, and then it can be called tequila. And it has to be made of one specific kind of agave. There are thousands of kinds of agave, and if it's made with blue agave, the sweetest one, and made in Jalisco, then it's called tequila. If it's made with any other kind of the thousands kind of agave, and it's made outside of Jalisco, it's called mezcal. And that's why there's such a giant diversity in mezcal, is because there's so many different kinds of agave. The most common kind of mezcal, which we had first, was espadín, which is like the second sweetest below blue agave. And now we're into the more funky, spunky stuff, which is more of an acquired taste.
Hola, soy Cintia, soy del Grifo Condesa. Nos encontramos aquí con David. Te platico, el Grifo es un lugar que ofrece mezcal artesanal, al igual que cerveza artesanal, mexicana sobre todo. Tenemos algunas marcas importadas, pero le damos más fuerza a lo mexicano. Entonces también nos enfocamos mucho en el mezcal, en pequeñas empresas, en pequeñas marcas que siguen siendo artesanales y tienen productos súper artesanales y bien hechos. Tenemos otra sucursal en Tulum, donde ofrecemos la misma variedad de mezcales y la misma variedad de cervezas, que ahorita está súper de moda y muy buenos productos. Vengan a visitarnos.
One thing you guys have to know about this place is they have roughly 9 different agave plants, over 40 different brands. Oh, it's amazing. I'm feeling it. Ya 3.
¿Sí?
No, necesito como 6 o 7.
Ya veremos.
And then I'm also gonna try some of these beers because they have some delicious, craft beers. Here they call them artisanal beers. El como más fuerte me dijo que es un stout de como 10%.
Sí.
Por ahí.
Sí, lágrimas negras. Seguro te platican de lágrimas negras. Es esta.
Buenísimo. Bueno. Al final.
Sí, al final. Va, perfecto. Bueno, aquí al lado tenemos la pizza Nosferatu, que es un hermano, es un socio hermano, trabajamos el mismo concepto y puedes comer pizza artesanal también y ahí tomar de tu chela. Hicimos como muy buena mancuerna, aunque no es el mismo negocio, estamos hermanados y trabajamos igual. Está padre, se crea un buen ambiente.
We got some pizza coming. 3 minutes. Oh, it's gonna be good. I mean, it has what in it?
Panqueques.
Oh my god, it smells amazing. What is that? Is that the brie cheese? It smells so good.
No, man, it's the maple. I'm Canadian.
Oh,
it's like
maple.
my blood.
Sorry, dude. We're about to have one of the best pizzas in Mexico right here with maple.
It's unconfirmed best pizza in Mexico, but it sure smells like it right now. With maple honey, pear, ham, basil, and what are these? Blueberries?
And it's brie cheese.
Yeah, brie cheese.
Brie cheese.
Cheese. I don't know, you're drunk.
You said like
David.
you said breo.
You're drunk, go home.
Hey!
And one.
It's gonna be too hot, dude.
Yo, we need one cheer shot with mezcal. The boomerang. 3, 2.
That's creepy.
What was that? Oh, it's so good.
Even better upside down. I can normally lay down. I'm so good at it.
Oh shit.
Hi, I'm Mike from Kick the Grind, and I just did that. Are you like in yoga? Yeah, with some mezcal, so.
Lágrimas negras.
Está bueno.
Cerveza oscuro con sutiles. Notas de cacao.
Nota.
Palabra nueva para mí.
It's good, right? Oh, it's a milk stout. I love it. You like this or no?
Yeah, I do like it.
Oh, milk stout.
Breakfast.
It's like breakfast, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's the strongest beer you can get. You know?
Are you serious?
Yeah, 10%.
10%? Are you trying to kill me?
10%?
Dude, you have 55% on it.
The mezcal was like 50.
The mezcal was like 55.
10%? It's dark though.
Yeah, it's stout.
in it.
Stout.
This beer, man, is like the TKO. This beer ends the night, and I go home and I sleep in the calles de Mexico. And I lose a kidney or 2.
Mike is wasted.
I'm not wasted, I swear to God.
Kicking the grind. It up.
Are you guys throwing it out?
We always been throwing it out.
In Condesa?
We've been throwing it out for 24 hours. No, more like 36 hours.
How did mezcal like fit into the equation? I mean, did it help?
Very early and very effectively. Do you like mezcal?
I love mezcal. It's better than tequila.
Time for no. I'm ready to go to a party now.
He was like balding. And
She's balding.
he had like a
My girl Larissa, she tried mezcal. She got crunk. That shit is crazy. It's really good. And
Are you talking about us?
yeah, it's how you good. So how's the mezcal?
It's amazing. It's like Pueblo Magico. I feel like I'm in Pueblo Magico. No, I feel good. I feel like it's not tequila. Tequila kind of f***s you up like immediately. Mezcal, you feel like a little classier. I only watch Davidsbeenhere YouTube channel. And
Stop.
Kick the Grind.
You didn't even know who I was. Name one video of mine.
The Island of the Dolls.
Okay.
Was that a video?
Yeah,
Did you
I
actually do a video there?
I did.
Okay, I have to check that.
$24 todo. $1.
$1!
24 pesos. Aquí. Mezcal, tequila, tráeme todo.
You get to go. Ocho. Wait.
Mucho.
Mucho mezcal. Mucho
Sí,
mezcal.
demasiado.
And now bailamos. Let the rhythm take you.
Despacito. So we're about to try some delicious al pastor tacos This is how we end the night.
What is it anyways, pork?
Al pastor, yeah, it's pork. Pork, but like it's
Kind of like a doner kebab,
dude,
but...
And my friends are happy here. They are like, no, you don't want to be there.
Delicioso. Amazing, man.
Water when you're like hungry.
Super good.
No.
You want some? You want some?
The taco. And we're gonna add some crazy stuff. What is this?
That's weird. And that's not necessary. It's kind of... They didn't come together. They were just an appetizer and an entree. Welcome to Ciudad de Mexico. Ciudad de Mexico. Te amo Larissa. ¿Cuál es tu número favorito? ¿Cuál es tu número calor?
Número favorito? 7.
7. I like 11. 11.
Oh wow.
I'm glad we had this time together, guys.
Me too.
Hola, YouTube.
Bienvenidos.
Bienvenidos. Smart. No.
She's the Phoenix, right?
Excuse me.
Yeah, no, she's the dark phoenix.
I'm the Virgin Guadalupe. No, I'm not.
What?
I'm the Macarena. The Macarena.
He's inviting us the food.
Man, that's why I love this country. You come, you say hi, you tell some jokes, and they give you the food for free.
You have to be like a travel influencer or like celebrity here. But
They didn't know. They didn't know.
they didn't know, but they were like, you know what?
We had a camera.
They look good. They look
They
good.
didn't know how famous you were.
I'm not famous. You're famous.
Exactly, right?
Yeah, you know what? Welcome. Yeah, let's go. Whoa. Whoa,
What is it?
I don't know, mezcal. Hey.
I don't know. Who knows? Mezcal knows. Mezcal's talking. Let's see where I am in 10 years. Love you. We've Mexico City with mezcal. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Where's the driver? Oh, he's in the car.
Hola.
David?
Sí. ¿Listo? Alright, so we drank mezcal. I was with the blonde Gypsy and my Corriquita grind. We drank a lot. I won't lie about that. I don't want to sleep. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You comment below and subscribe to my channel. It's real.